Welcome. Today we'll be talking about the energy of clutter. Now, if that seems like a strange concept, keep listening and let me share with you what I mean. And if you already know what I'm talking about, then you've really come to the right place. If you've ever entered a cluttered room where there's lots of things that need to be tended to or that have been ignored for a period of time, then you know what I mean by the energy of clutter. And on the flip side, the happy side, perhaps you've created a room in your home that is free of distractions. The energy flows throughout the room and you feel ease and calm when you're in the room. Or perhaps, if it's your intention to feel energized and creative in a particular room, you're able to tap into those emotions and feel productive and excited. I'm Pam Holland of Mindful Decluttering and Organizing. In nearly 14 years of supporting folks in decluttering and organizing their homes and minds, I've developed more than a few tips and tricks for tapping into this energy of spaces and using it to create a more joyful life for you and those in your household. Today, I'm very excited to introduce a new program that focuses on working with the energy in your spaces and in your life. Some of you may be familiar with the Chakras, the 7 energy centers that are said to hold our emotions and our past experiences. For several years, I've been considering creating a program about using the energy of the chakras to help you to declutter and to keep the clutter at bay this time. I'm excited now as this program is finally ready for you to join me on a journey from confusion to clarity. If you don't know anything about the chakras, not to worry. We'll cover all of that in the program, but with a focus on decluttering your thoughts, your beliefs, and your space. Whatever your vision is for a particular space in your home, you'll know when you've achieved it by the feelings that you have when you enter the room and when you spend time in the room. Entering a room after you've left it and come back is a particularly powerful time to notice what's going on with your energy as you begin to consciously or unconsciously take on some of the energy of the room and the belongings in the room. And it costs nothing to explore whether this program, Decluttering with the Power of Your Chakras, is right for you. Simply use the link below to sign up for one of our free introductory calls. And everyone attending an exploration call will be gifted a copy of our 9 Tips for Joyful Organizing PDF download. So whether you decide to join the program or not, you'll have a resource to help you move forward with your decluttering and organizing goals. What have you got to lose? Join me for one of these free exploration calls by clicking on the link below. Any questions? Simply give me a call at 301-270-0969. I look forward to learning more and connecting with you personally, and hope that you'll join me on this exciting journey through the chakras and the energy of clutter.